Hola y bienvenidos amigos. Hello and welcome friends. Steve here, Street Smart Travel, coming at you from Sinchao, Ecuador, way down south on the coast, a little bit south of Montañita, chilling out in a hammock here on a healing/retreat center. First and foremost, thanks to all the new subscribers. Picked up some subs after the last video. Thanks, helps me out a lot, helps the channel out a lot. Thank you for signing up and thanks for stopping by. Now today, a shorter video. This one is going to be the summary of my budget for August 2025. All the money I spent traveling the coast of Ecuador in August. It was a really good month. Just a bit of a recap. I started up in Isla Portete, just outside of Mompiche, doing a house sit, looking after the dogs and the pets, dogs and the plants and the house. Then I went down to a small coastal town called Crucita and rented a room for 5 nights from a buddy down there who I had volunteered with in the past, or volunteered for in the past, and wanted to have a bit of a break. So 5 nights there, that was literally my biggest expense for the month of August. $10 a night, 50 bucks, about $70 Canadian for 5 nights right on the beach. Fantastic. Good dude too. And I was killing time until I could get into the next volunteer gig, and that was in a small coastal town called Olon, O-L-O-N. That was a construction gig, and if you've been watching the channel, you may remember me saying I had to get off the tools. I'm a licensed electrician, had to get off the tools and retire because I blew my shoulder out and there was no way I could do physical work any longer. So it's been 3.5 years since I've been on the tools, and I thought, okay, let's try this. If it doesn't work out, if I'm having issues with my shoulder, I might have to cut this one short. But did 3 weeks construction, mostly framing, and held up great. I felt fine. I had an awesome cabin, newly renovated cabin, all to myself with a view of the ocean. And what more do you want, right? Working 5 hours a day, got to walk down to town a few times a week, chill out, walk along the beach, see the Pacific Ocean, and just enjoy life on the coast. Fantastic month. Now, as for the numbers, for the entire month of August, I spent just under $160 for the month. Under $160. That comes out to $5.15 US per day. And in Canadian dollars, for those Canadians amongst you, that is just under 219 Canadian dollars on the month, or $7.05 Canadian per day. And at the end of this video, I will put up some pictures and videos just to give you some eye candy and idea of some of the things that I've seen and done over the last month on the coast. I like posting these beach videos more when it's, January or February up there in North America, just so my friends can see what it's like down here on the coast in the sunshine year-round. But there's plenty of time for that. By then, I'm hoping to be in Colombia. We'll see how that goes. As for future plans, I would like to stick around down here for a little bit, doing landscaping here, cleaning up the property, did some painting, there's a bunch of projects. And if I stay here long enough, they have a retreat coming up in mid-October. I'm a certified yoga teacher, so I may end up teaching some yoga classes if I stay here that long. We'll see. And if not, I have plans to head up north, up either to a coffee farm in the Intag Valley, which is one of my favorite places here in Ecuador, or possibly teaching English up in Mindo. I'm just waiting on confirmation on either of those, and then we'll see what comes up next. It's all part of the gypsy lifestyle. Just take it as it goes. Come and go, free as the breeze. A few weeks here, a couple months there. Fantastic. Highly recommend. Thanks for stopping by. Just again, a brief review. Under $160 on the month, or under 219 Canadian dollars for the entire month of August. Welcome again to the new subs. If you've been watching these videos and you're not subscribed, please do. And also, if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below for me. Happy to answer any questions. Also, please drop a like and enjoy the videos and photos from my August adventures here on the coast of Ecuador. Happy trails. See you out on the road.